So, I'm riding this 25 or 26-year-old vintage road bike, which was my father's. This is the bike. It's a Peugeot Savoie. I don't know what that means. It's an old bike, steel frame, which I love. Very old tires, as you can see. Look at them, they're chipping away. Handlebars are very old. Look at the brakes. Okay, so let's turn it around. It's, I don't know, the derailleur is ARIS derailleur, new success. It works fine. The front derailleur is, I don't know, something, I don't care. So the gears change from here over here, and let's go ride this. Oh, cat! A cat, two cats. I'm coming, cats. Hello, cats. What's up? Hey, cat. Come here. Oh my god. His one eye is blue and the other is yellow. This white one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh yeah. What? Come. Another cat over there.